Okay, can we start our project there? I'm trying to locate the one that we did. Go to your class. Under the class there, I just want to show you how to create one accessor method, one mutator method. So go to view, units, open your unit CL students, this one. Right, go to the top on the class here, below the function, the procedure calculate students average. Here write function get average. It is going to give us back a array. Okay, this is a accessor method. Right shift control C. Right, writing an accessor method is always very easy. You just say result assign F average. That's all. Okay, that's all. Let me show you how to do a mutator, something that is going to assign, let's say, a grade to this F grade. Create procedure, set grade. Let's implement it. You know how to do it? It's very simple. We are setting it to F grade. So you just say F grade is assigned. Okay, for a mutator, we must have a parameter.
Procedure.
On top here.
Procedure set grade.
Yes, it's going to have a parameter. So the parameter is R grade, which is a array. Let's correct it here again, like this. So you simply assign it to this parameter. You got it? That is a mutator. So this procedure is going to help us to set the field F grade with a value. Right, now we are moving to the main unit to use this. There is actually one line for F grade. Right, can we copy this unit to the other unit now, the main unit, this side? Edit here. You can edit first, place a comma there. So our unit is linked here. This side we must create a variable of TStudent. Where do we do that? You can do it here, or you can do it under var here. Let's say student, declare it as TStudent. and then copy this student. This student is the one that we are going to use now. Have you copied that? It's TStudents. It must be this class here, TStudent. So go to this button here, double click this button.
So, please come back to what is a student?
Yeah, look, is students is declared as TStudent. Come again? Okay. Right, let me assign it here. Let me show you what you do. You say student is assigned TStudent dot create. You will see when you say create, you need to assign values there to the student. Like the first one could be James, then you put a comma. You see now it wants a name, maybe William, then it wants a grade, grade 2, then it's looking for a record T mark. That's why now you say R mark record. Now this R mark record, and then the average, you don't need an average there, but I don't know how I put that average. It was a mistake. That average is calculated. We cannot get it from outside. VG. Now this record we must create it outside. So we come here and create it, or we can create the record here under verb. This is T marks. And then we must assign it some values before we assign it to the student. Like in this case, we say maths, we assign it 25, and then we go history, assign it any value.
Tomorrow, do we have to read the text also?
I'll do something simple like this.
Like this, sir?
Yeah. You can see from here, this record has got values. That's why now we are assigning it here. And then we need an average here. Okay, declare another AV as real, and then for now I just want you to assign it any value. It must be assigned a value outside. Let's assume the average has been calculated and is 66. So we assign it to our constructor create. So if you look at our constructor create, all the 5 parameters have been given values. Then below here, you call the memo, Control S, display lines. Add. Then we add the student. We say student, this one. Then you call toString. That's all what you call this one. Call the toString method. You are done. You have implemented. We have actually linked the units we have created a variable of our class. After creating a variable of our class, we have assigned it. The most important thing that gives you mark is this: implementing the constructor, and then implementing the toString, and then the other thing that gives you mark is this.
So you just write it
Yeah.
nice it works.
Yes, create a student, which is TStudent. Okay, let me.
No, you get an error there, sir.
Make it so
Where is the error? The incompatible data type. Right, this one is a real. Oh, F grade is what? What did you declare it as what? Or short integer. Change it on top here to say real. And then this side you change it to float to string on the other side, to like that.
What do we change?
And then this side
Real.
we yes, on this side we assign it a decimal number. Incompatible short int and extended.
we still get it wrong.
Right, undeclared AV. This one, I made a mistake here, so I correct it here. There it is running. Let me just click the button. We see how toString is gonna work. There it is. You see how it comes out. It is displayed. That is what I need for tomorrow's test only. Okay, thank you very much. I've got this video to give